Hey, what's going on? It's Tim. The video we were originally going to put out this week, we're actually pushing back till next week because I wanted to shoot this video because with iOS 14 and all the stuff around iOS 14, and now there's new things going to be rolling out with iOS 15, and we've been essentially this entire week going through different trainings that either Facebook, Mailgun, a bunch of platforms talking about the new iOS 15, how it's going to impact marketing and advertising efforts. And one of the big takeaways that we got so far going through a lot of these trainings is, one, as iOS 15 is rolling out pretty much this next month, and it's going to be rolling out, and you are going to start being affected by that. And one of the big things that was interesting to me was whenever we were learning about how iOS 15 is actually going to be impacting email. Now, email is one of those things that I feel like has always had the email is dying, email marketing is dead, and one of the big takeaways that we got from it is that any Apple user that's using iMail, you are not going to be able to track their open rates. So if you are still using open rates as a way of essentially determining if a email marketing campaign is successful, unfortunately this is going to impact you in ways that most email marketing hasn't really seen for quite a while. I mean, there's always a lot of changes that happen across the board when it comes to marketing and advertising, but if you are using email marketing and you're using stuff to track if people are going to be opening their emails and you're looking at open rates, this is really going to impact you because you're not going to be able to track those open rates anymore. So one of the big things with this is thinking about how to actually track how successful an email is, and what it's really going to come down to is the click-through rate. You're going to want to look at click-through rate versus your open rate a lot more so to really judge how well that campaign is doing. Now, if you're just sending out newsletters and you're doing that kind of stuff and you see a dip in the open rates, it's probably because of iOS 15. So I wanted to shoot this quick video because, like I said, this was something that we just learned and felt that it was very important because we know how important email marketing is, and emails actually get opened 90% of the time and are actually looked at way more than social media. So like I said, if you are using email marketing, and if you aren't using email marketing, then you need to start using email marketing. But just keep that in mind that this is going to be rolling out here, coming out this next month. So if you see a dip in email open rates, that's why, and you really want to start looking at other metrics to gauge how effective your email marketing is. So that's pretty much all that I have. Like I said, the video that was supposed to come out today, we decided to push back because I just felt like this is important to kind of talk about a little bit of the iOS 15, and we will be keeping you updated on the changes, what you kind of need to do to adjust your marketing and advertising efforts moving forward. So thanks so much, and I look forward to seeing you in our next video.